Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about lines and angles. Does anyone know what a line is? What's a line,
It's
Jade?
straight.
Straight.
Sometimes it's crooked. Knox.
What's a line, Knox?
You make a triangle.
Oh, it can make a triangle? That's right. Good
And a
job.
square.
And it can make a square. You're right. Good
That's what it
job.
can make.
What can it make?
It can make a body. So you
A
can go
line.
like,
Okay, so drawing a picture. When
Yeah.
we draw a picture, we use
Yeah.
lines to draw
Yeah,
pictures.
yeah.
Yep, you're
We
right.
all use lines.
Yep, you're right. That's good. That's good.
Every shape has lines in it.
Yep. So we're gonna learn about lines, and we're gonna learn about how lines
This
make.
is a line.
Yes, you're correct. We're gonna learn about how lines make angles.
And this is a line.
Yes, we're gonna use that in a minute to show an example of lines. So leave those right there, okay?
What are these tapes?
We're gonna learn those in a second, okay?
Okay.
All right. So there are a few terms that I want us to go over. So one is a dot. A dot is like a period, and there's a dot somewhere on that paper where there's an example of a clock. Can you point to it? Where's a dot? Is there a dot on the clock somewhere? Yep, you're right. That's right, Knox. Good job.
There's another dot. Right there.
Okay. Yep. But that's a point. This is a point.
I found a line.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So sit down. Sit back down, guys. Okay.
I found
So
another
a
line.
line can be never ending. So I want you guys to make a line with your arms. So do your arms out. Yep, that's a good example, right? So you can have a straight line like this. You can have a line like this.
I like this.
Yeah, well that's not really a line.
But it goes like this. That's part
Right.
of a shape.
Yes, so a line has no end or beginning. A line segment has a beginning and an end. So a line can go on forever. But when you have a line segment, you will have a dot at the end of each side of your line.
So like this. So like this. And then put a dot like that. Or you can go like this.
Yes.
Done.
Okay.
Dot.
Can you put that back? Thank you. All right. Okay, so now we're going to go over what an example of angles are. So here I have masking tape, and I have 3 angles that are right here in front of you, okay? So
Not
first,
one of them. He went like this, but
yeah, so this is a right angle. This has a 90-degree angle, and that is what a right angle is. It has 2 lines
I'll tell you.
that are
I'll tell you the
perpendicular, makes
difference.
a right angle.
I'll tell you the difference. Are they
Mommy.
Are they short or big? Is this one bigger than
It
this?
doesn't matter what size they are, it still makes an angle. Yep,
I want this one too.
yeah. So this, okay, so what is this angle?
A right angle.
Right angle? Can you say right angle, Knox?
Okay.
Yes, it's a 90-degree angle, okay? All right, so this one is acute.
I was gonna say
Can you
that.
say that?
Acute.
Acute angle. Okay, so it's smaller, right? Smaller than 90 degrees, because you see the 90 degrees is like this,
Mhm.
and the acute is smaller than that. So the acute angle has one that is more than 0 but less than 90
I wish
degrees.
this was a paper and it was stickers that we could sort them.
Yeah.
I know. I'll get
Okay,
from shortest to biggest.
all right, sit still. So you can make this a small acute angle where it's like 1 degree, or it can be 89 degrees, and
And it
that's
can be-
still an acute angle because it's less than 90
It
degrees.
can turn into
And our 90-degree angle is what? What is this called?
a right angle.
Right? So what's this called?
Acute.
Acute. Can you say acute? Okay, that's okay. All right, so this one is an obtuse. Can you say obtuse?
Uh-huh.
Can you say it, Jace?
Obtuse.
Obtuse
Say
angle.
obtuse.
It's more than 90 degrees, but less than 180.
I think so deep.
Yeah, look, you did an obtuse with your arms. Are you
Uh-huh.
ready? So we did a line.
I want like no,
So-
you went like this.
So does this look like an obtuse angle? Yeah, right? Okay. Yeah.
Plus, we did an obtuse.
All right. So this is a what angle?
A right angle.
This
Cute.
is
Next one, say this one.
obtuse. It's obtuse.
Obtuse.
All right. So I'm gonna 2 things. So you know how we've been practicing with your time?
Mhm.
4 o'clock? Okay, so I want you to set a time. So I'm gonna say, let's do 3:15. Can you map out 3:15 on this clock for me?
You did the little one. Little one, big one.
So where is
So
3:15?
3:15. The 5 should be right there.
Let's do 4:15. Yep.
4:15.
4:15 says 4. 4. Okay.
Next up, do you want to know what
All
you
right.
put?
Where's the other
Where is
one,
it?
Knox?
Where is it? It's from here.
It's gonna
to
go
here.
15. So I think the blue needs to point right here. So point that to the 4. Nope. That's the 4 and that's the 15. Good
That's
job. Okay, so can you tell me, Jace,
Mhm.
what kind of angle is that? What kind of angle does that make? So what's that called?
Next, I'm trying to figure it out.
No, it's okay. You can answer.
No, no,
I want you to answer for me though.
because the work wanted me to do it.
No, I just wanted you to. Can you answer it for me?
Cute.
A
Now, Can
cute.
you see it too?
Okay, it's okay. It's
Your
alright.
stomach hurt.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, you forgot to give him his medicine.
Okay. Alright, I want you to map out 9-10 for me.
9, 10.
9-10. Map out
Rocks.
9-10.
9.
Alright, so that's gonna point at the 9. Okay,
Yes,
Knox,
you know what
yours
time
is
it
gonna
is?
point where Jace mapped out these in the minutes, and it's
No,
10
that's
minutes
where
right
yours
here.
Goes. Not, look. Remember, Daddy's phone is on.
Okay, put it right here. But the arrow's gotta point to the 10, okay? But you're doing a good job.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so what kind of angle is that? What kind of angle does that look like?
Obtuse.
Obtuse, yep, that's right.
How?
Good job.
But it's just left.
Mama, that was
That's a right angle? Okay, we'll do a right angle,
Next, do you
okay?
know this one?
Alright,
Cute.
let's do 3:30.
3:30.
3:30.
So,
So I'm gonna do the 30 and I want you to do 30.
not 20.
3:30.
Here.
Where's, yeah,
25. What's that?
20.
that's
No,
30.
no.
Alright, can you put the
No,
blue
30.
arrow right there?
You just learned a new number.
Good job.
Did you not?
Alright, so
You
it's
just learned a
30,
new number.
30. Good job, guys. Okay, so what kind of angle is that, Jace?
An angle?
What kind of angle is that? What does it look like?
No, do you know what it's called?
No.
Alright.
A right angle, yes. A right angle, good job.
I knew it was in your mouth. I knew it was
Okay,
in
can
your
you
mouth.
sit down on your bottom? Thank you.
It was in his mouth somewhere.
Oh yeah, he just had to think about it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, at
Yeah.
the bottom it's hard to think.
Right on the bottom.
Okay,
At the
right.
bottom it's hard to think.
Good job, good job.
Down like to my belly.
What's
Oh,
your feet?
oh, your belly.
Like to my.
No.
Okay.
Mommy,
Now what we
look.
learn about
Look,
these.
mommy.
All right, yeah. So we're gonna use our
Look.
toothpicks.
Guys, get your toothpicks.
Get your toothpicks, okay, guys? So now we're going to talk about lines because our lines.
Mommy, look.
Yeah. Okay. Can you put your toys over here out of the way? Thank you. So we're going to learn about lines, and we're going to use our toothpicks. So you have two lines that make up these angles, okay? And when you have a line that intersects, look, when you have a line that intersects like this, they are called perpendicular. Can you say perpendicular?
Perpendicular.
Good job.
Good job,
That's right.
Max.
So whenever you have intersecting
Mommy,
lines,
that's like an X like this.
yeah, they're called perpendicular lines, okay?
But that's my last name.
Oh, like an X. X, yes, is in your name. You're right. All right, so then you can also have lines that
Mommy,
do not intersect.
and that's like my name too.
Yep.
That's my last name.
So look, lines can look like this. And you know what they're called when they're like this?
What?
Parallel.
Parallel.
Parallel lines.
Good job.
Good job. So we have perpendicular and we have parallel lines.
I knew what
So we're going to
parallel means.
use your toothpicks to show examples of
Like
these.
this, like these.
Okay,
like
So
the
can
one
you
house.
take two
Mommy,
to yeah.
Take out and do these.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, well that's an angle and that's perpendicular, right? But I want you to cross two of your toothpicks. So lay one on top of each other. Yep.
Done.
It makes an X. Make an X, Knox. Good job. So that's perpendicular.
Wait.
Now
so
leave those. No, leave those right there.
If you pull it back, it's like a slingshot.
So I was going to get you to do it like that one next. So do an X, and then I want you to do it where it's straight up and down like a cross.
I don't want.
Like a cross. That's a cross.
Like if it's straight up and down, like this. Watch. This is what I meant. See, like this. Okay,
I
yeah.
don't know how to make a cross.
Here, I'll help you. Watch. We're going to make a cross right here. Okay, there you go.
Wait, should I use?
All right, these last two, I want you to do parallel lines. So what did I show you they look like? They look like this. So-
I only got 2. I have 4 more.
No, look.
I'm not.
And you're
gonna
supposed to
have
make an
4 more.
X. Okay, now do those as a parallel. This is what parallel looks like. So what do you think you would put it down and it would look like?
Like
I
this.
don't know how.
Okay, I'm gonna show you.
Like
Look,
that?
like you do what Jace just did.
Okay.
Okay, you help you? Okay, he has parallel lines. There we go. All right,
Mom, his is just a little bit shorter.
it's okay. It's you picks are different sizes,
Yeah.
but lines can be different sizes too, right? And they can have points
Wait,
on the
he made a
end.
different shape. Cause when he goes like that, and if you put it right up in the middle, what does that shape make?
What do you mean?
Like it's a shape.
Oh, okay.
It goes like this.
Like a square? Like
No.
if you added more
No,
lines?
it goes like that.
Oh,
What's that shape
okay.
called?
Yeah, that's still parallel lines.
Mom, what's that shape called?
I don't know.
That goes like.
I like this, mommy.
Trapezoid?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
No, she can make a trapezoid anyway, and like this.
Yep. Okay.
I
You
like
can do parallel lines
You
You
anyway,
can, yeah.
this. Like this.
and like
Yeah.
this.
Do you think like these lines in the table, this line
That's a,
and this line,
They're
those
all
are parallel.
parallel.
But what about these lines? What are they called?
X.
They're
guess
called
what? That makes a
perpendicular.
diamond.
Can you say perpendicular?
Perpendicular. Just say perp.
Perpendicular. You said it.
Hey, say perp.
You're doing good.
Yeah, you are not.
Only goes down.
All right. So
Let's put the done like that.
so y'all have done really good with your examples.
Is it almost done?
And with your parallel lines and your perpendicular lines. We're going to go over the terms one more time, and then we're going to watch a short video to recap angles and lines. You're going to have a video on my phone that you can watch, okay? So, what kind of angle is this?
Ah,
Jace?
got it.
A right angle.
Right angle.
Yeah? What kind of angle is this?
Remember not to start with the K or C.
A. A, C.
No, not my last name.
A, C, with what?
Is it an acute angle?
I can't.
And this is what?
I don't know.
Jace?
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
Is this
Obtuse.
like a K?
Yep. And then you can have perpendicular lines. And then, what are these called?
I'm gonna make a letter. I'm gonna
Mommy,
make
so
What are these
this
called?
is the quad. This
Parallel
table is
lines?
weighted.
parallel lines.
Mommy, this
Yes.
table is weighted.
It's okay.
Mom, can I make a K?
Well, we're not making letters right now. That's not part of the lesson, okay? But we can do that later as something else. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow as part of your schoolwork, okay?
Okay.
Can you sit down for me?
Mommy, K starts my name.
K does start. Yep, does start your name. That's the beginning of your name. Very.
This is like a K.
Okay. Oh, yeah, leave that on.
Mommy, look.
Okay, so we're gonna watch a video. Yes.
Look at this.
Wait. No, you just made a TP. Did you just know that, Mom?
You made a TP?
Yeah.
Now look.
You know what that's called? Wait.
I want this called.
Mom! You
What?
see these lines?
What?
Those are lines.
Mm-hmm.
See them?
They're lines in the wood. Yep,
Yeah.
you're right.
They're
Like,
parallel
this is
lines.
wood.
Yes.
This is up on wood.
Okay, so let's watch a short video.
Are we
Can
gonna-
you sit still? No, I'm going to show it to you. All right, it's an intro into angles. Let me turn up the volume.
But we have to watch the video.
Today we're going to talk about angles. An angle is the amount of turn or space between two lines that meet each other.
Mommy,
Two lines meet at a
Mama,
point or
I
vertex.
get
An
something
angle is
standing.
Pause it, pause it.
Listen, no, it's okay. You can
two
watch it.
lines are called the
I got
angles,
something to stand it.
Mhm.
Mama, I can stand it with the flashlight.
which is shown by this
Thank
symbol.
you.
Mama, flashlight. There's the flashlight.
Like you need to put the finger on first.
Oh, okay.
Started is
Yeah.
360 degrees.
Is that better? Okay.
1/2 of a turn, which forms a straight line, is
that better?
180 degrees. 1/4 of a turn is 90 degrees. This is called a right angle. There are 3 other types of angles: acute, obtuse, and reflex angles.
We forgot to do
We
a
didn't hear
reflex.
reflex
Is
angles.
one
You're
that is
right.
less than 90 degrees.
You forgot.
An obtuse angle
It's okay.
is
Watch,
one
I'll
that
tell
is
you what
more
it
than
is.
90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees.
Mommy, he's
A
talking
reflex
on it.
angle is one that is greater than 180 degrees.
Reflex.
Mhm.
It's a math.
Some angles may be added together to get one of the important angles we talked about earlier. Complementary angles are 2 angles that add up to a 90-degree angle. Supplementary angles are 2 angles that add up to a 180-degree
Oh,
angle.
Mama, to it.
Mhm.
2 angles that add up to make a full circle or 360-degree angle can be called either exclamentary or complement angles. Some other fun
Oh,
facts about how
Daddy.
angles add up include that all the angles inside a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. And all the angles around the point where lines intersect will always add up to
Mommy,
360 degrees.
over.
Angles are usually measured using protractors. Protractors have markings on them similar to rulers, but instead of inches or centimeters, it measures in degrees. If you don't have a protractor to measure with, you can estimate how big it is as long as you remember what a 90-degree angle, 180-degree angle, and 360-degree angle look like. I hope this helped you understand all about angles today. Goodbye till next time.
All right.
I like that.
Yeah, that was cool. Okay, so I have a worksheet for Jace to work on. All right. Thank you for the flashlight. Yeah.
Mommy, can we keep it on?
Not right now. We don't want to waste the battery. Okay, I'm gonna get you a pencil.
Do I have to name them? Well, let Knox do it. I want to
Well, okay.
see if Knox can do it.
Here you go.
I can do it.
Okay.
Not all by herself.
All right. I want you to write on the black line.
Can
If the angle above is a right, I'm gonna
Or a left angle.
it's a right angle.
This is a right
Obtuse.
angle.
Is it a right angle, obtuse angle, or an acute angle?
Wait, how do you spell obtuse?
Look, the words are up here. Obtuse.
Mama.
Look, Jace, sit down. Obtuse is right here. Acute and right. So which angles are these? So tell me. I want you to write them down for me.
Okay.
Take a few minutes and write it down for me, and then we'll talk about it. Okay?
Mommy.
I'm gonna draw you some. Okay? Are you ready? Do you want the same ones that Jace has? Okay.
Mom, why is it got different colors?
It's just in color.
Mom, can you do me?
I can print you one in color. Yes, I can.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I can. When we do Jace's work. Okay. Jace, can you finish your worksheet, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mommy, why do we have to do this?
Because practice makes you learn.
Mommy, and the clock starts stacked. Clock.
Come on, do we have to write angle?
No, you don't. You can just write.
Mama, I want the dark one.
Can you switch pencils with him? Thank you. So you can just write. Is it a right or an acute or obtuse? Okay.
Mama, there.
Good job. Yeah, trace the lines. That's right. Good job.
Is he gonna trace them?
He's just gonna trace them. Yeah.
Does he-
He's gonna learn how to draw the angles. Yeah. Okay. Can you finish your worksheet, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Good job. You're doing good, Max.
Gosh, he is doing good.
I know, he's tracing, huh? You're doing good too. Yep, okay, so what's this one? Keep going, you're doing good.
Obtuse.
Mm-hmm. Alright, don't worry about what he's doing, you worry about your worksheet. You're doing a good job, take your time. Do you want me to draw you some more, Knox? Yeah, all of these are right, you're doing such a good job.
I want to do it on the back.
Okay, here, we'll trace those then. Alright, Jace.
Wait, what? Can I use your pen?
No, pencil. It's okay.
Mommy, the purple one, that's that one.
Mm-hmm.
And the green,
Keep going,
that's that
Jace.
one. And the blue, that's
Keep
that
focused
one.
on your paper.
And purple, that's this one. And the pink, that's that one. And the
Mm-hmm.
orange, that's that one.
Alright.
Am I doing good, Mommy?
You're doing really good.
But I'm good doing that these.
Mm-hmm. You're really good.
Done.
Oh, 3 more. Last 3, and then you'll be done.
No, I don't, because I got 3 more too.
Mm-hmm.
Got 4 more.
Okay, look at your paper. Focus on your paper.
Do you ask my, do he ask what his name?
Alright.
And
Good job. Mm-hmm. And one more. What's that one?
Mommy done.
Good job, Knox.
I won.
You traced. Yep, that's what Mommy gave you as a task. That was awesome. Good job.
Mommy, can you make me another one?
No, we're almost done with our lesson, okay?
Okay.
Y'all did a really good job.
Mom, can I write
There you
paper?
go.
What's this pencil?
Oh yeah, write your name on it. Good job.
If you can write your name,
Can I write my name?
Yes, you can.
see if you can write it Noxie. Noxie is K-N-O-X, remember?
Okay, write your name, Knox.
I'm doing this side.
Okay. You can do it. Do you want me to help you?
No,
Okay. You're doing a good job.
I started too.
Okay.
Oh, I think he's trying to write it in cursive.
But that's the last name.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, good job.
Oh, Mom, you can put a K
Mhm.
and then a V and then an E for Knox Winston Elliott.
Yep, that's right.
I mean, a
You're doing
W.
good, Knox. Where's your K? Okay, good job.
Oh, that's a nice end.
You did a good job. All right, perfect.
That's how I used
Are you
to
done?
write. Mom, that's how I used to write. when I
Yep.
was little.
Okay, good job.
Right, Knox.
All right, guys.
That's how I did it.
So we learned about angles and lines today.
Yup.
And do you know that angles and lines are in everything that we...
And this.
Yeah.
And the lid goes all the way down to here. That's the same as this, but it's skinnier.
Mhm.
And then, do you know,
Mommy,
if you
this
eat this
is
pencil,
dog.
Mhm.
And
it's
that's right.
poison if you put it in your mouth. So don't do that.
Right. That's a good
Don't
lesson.
break easy pencils.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay away from the lid.
Yeah.
But like pictures, like corners of pictures, see the pictures on the wall? Those are angles, right? And lines, are there lines on the road when we go driving? Yeah, there
Oh,
are.
That's something.
So I just want you to think about, just think of, can you sit down?
I
Sit
need to
down.
show you something.
Okay, well, you can show me in a second. Jace, look at me. This is what I want you to think about, okay? As you go and you're outside and you're looking at a clock or you're on the road, think about what lines you see and what angles they make, okay?
Wait, this is
So I
a
want you to
line.
think about that and then we're going to talk about it tomorrow when we do your schoolwork, okay?
This is a line.
Does that sound good, Jace?
ma'am.
Okay.
Mommy, this is a
Alright guys, we all did really good, okay?
This is
Can I
a
see the
line,
phone? I
Mommy.
want to see the phone.
Okay, alright, sit down,
Mommy,
thank
this
you.
is a line.
Is 20 minutes over?
This is a line.
Yeah.